Nairobi.
It is early Christmas for teachers after the Teachers Service Commission unveiled an enhanced medical scheme cover that will see a single teacher get up to 3 million shillings in medical expenses. The teachers will also be free to visit hospitals and get treatment anytime after the TSC abolished the 7-day rule, which barred teachers from getting medical attention if they went back to hospital for the same ailment within 7 days of the previous visit. Shadrach Miti with the details.
All teachers employed by the Teachers Service Commission and more than 1.2 million dependents will be the key beneficiaries of the new medical scheme, amounting to 14 billion shillings. The scheme will see teachers get an inpatient cover of between 1 million and 3 million shillings. This is a major boost from the previous cover, which was pegged at between 750,000 to 2.5 million shillings. The enhanced medical cover for teachers could not have come at the right time, especially after numerous cries by teachers regarding the 7-day rule, which made it difficult for teachers to get full medical benefits if they return to the hospital within 7 days of the previous visit on the same illness. Teachers were denied treatment, which sparked outcry and complaints from teachers' unions. Under the new scheme to be run by Minute Kenya, that limitation has been struck out.
The original contract was that the teachers visit hospital and you may not know what's happening to you. And you know, most of the challenges of health, they present themselves with similar symptoms. So the teacher has gone to hospital and it has been diagnosed that the teacher has got as malaria. Apparently the teacher has even typhoid, which also presents itself in a similar fashion.
One critical issue under the previous cover was the pre-authorization period of 1 hour, which meant a teacher was supposed to wait for at least 1 hour before one was attended to, regardless of the nature of illness. The approval time has been reduced to just 10 minutes.
Teachers do not want to go to stay in hospital for a whole day. First, it causes unnecessary anguish to the teachers. Second, it explains that the contract has got a lot of loopholes. But if the Teacher Service Commission has sealed this loophole through the new contract, with me, I think this is what has happened is one of the best.
Teachers suffering from sexually transmitted infections and other illnesses related to alcoholism and all pandemics, including COVID-19, will also be covered. Another gain for teachers is that the new cover will see teachers get treatment across the globe, irrespective of the geographical location. Meanwhile, there will be unlimited benefits for both inpatient and outpatient for job groups B5 to C3, which apply to government hospitals, private hospitals, and faith-based hospitals. According to the circular dated December 15th and addressed to all teachers, TSC Chief Executive Officer Nancy Masharia says the new medical cover includes inpatient, outpatient, dental, optical, maternity, and funeral expenses. Under the new scheme, teachers and their dependents will enjoy an outpatient cover of between 150,000 to 450,000 shillings against the previous cover of between 100,000 to 375,000 shillings. Optical and dental cover has been set at a flat rate of 60,000 and 45,000 shillings respectively, compared to the previous covers of 45,000 and 35,000 shillings respectively. The cover will also take care of funeral expenses, which includes mortuary fees, hearse, coffin, and transport for immediate family, which will cover a maximum of 10 people. Shadrach Miti, KTN News.
Some good news there. Moving on, President William Ruto has